Now in today's video, we will learn the concepts related to the database. We will learn what is database, how we can use the database, what are the different ways and what are the different terms that we are using in a database. Basically, database is a collection of multiple tables, or you can say it is a collection of logically related data, or in a simple term we can use the term that is a computerized record keeping system. Earlier in the conventional or traditional system, we were maintaining the records in the form of registers. By if when we are using the term database, that means we are talking about the digital term. That means we are storing the information in the computer. That is why we are using the term database, or a software that helps us to maintain the data in a systematic order. We can use the term is DBMS. There are many different types of softwares which are available in the market that help us to store or maintain our data in a computerized manner. We can manipulate the data, we can access the data, we can do the changes in that data. DBase and FoxPro nowadays is obsolete. Oracle is a complete software package. Microsoft SQL Server also comes with the database server. According to the requirement, we can use the any database. There are different types of why we are using the database. That is the main concept. That because database, agar if we are not talking about the terms which, because in the previous slide we were talking about these, all these are the layman definition, or you can, when we are just explaining somebody ki what is database, then we can casually we can explain the concept that it is a computerized record keeping system. If we want to specify anything in a systematic order, then you can say it is a collection of organized data or information. In this database, we are organize the information in the form of rows and columns. That means in the tabular format. It is like a container where we can use the tables, where we are fetching a selective information and we can generate the report. The basically database is a combination of all these things. In database, in all the database, we are storing the information in the tabular format so that we can retrieve in a proper order. Different types of databases are also available. uh, In our course, Relational Database Management System, according to the CBSE Class 12 syllabus, we are using the MySQL RDBMS. Why we are using the term RDBMS? Because in the database, we are relating the table. We are connecting different tables with each other so that we can fetch selective information from the multiple tables. ORDBMS means we are focusing on the individual entities. We are just dealing with the different types. That is not in course. When you will go in the engineering, then you will go in this learn all these things in the detail part. Now next is why we are using the database. What is the advantage? In the traditional and conventional system, we were, because there were chances to add a duplicate entries, because if we are writing the things in the first page and there are chances that we can write the same number or the name in the next 10th page also. So by maintaining the information in a computerized manner, it will help us to reduce the duplicacy. We can easily share our information to other person, whether the person is remotely located somewhere else also, we can easily share our information. Earlier it is not possible, because if we want to transfer a register from one place to another, then we have to either travel through somewhere, and or otherwise we have to carry the information. It provides us security, but earlier in the traditional system security is not possible, because that earlier we were maintaining the things in the register, but now we can provide the password and we can give the accessibility according to the administrator, manager, other things. We can maintain the integrity means we can provide the rules and conditions that were not possible in the register system. Now next in the we will discuss in detail what is relational database, because in the relational database we are organize the information in the tables because it is a database, and we are, because when we are storing the information in the tables, that things will become in the form of records, and we are giving a heading to each and every column, because in the tables it is a combination of rows and columns. Why we are using the term relational? Because we are establishing the relationship between the different tables, and when we are dealing with relational database, we are dealing with structured query language, which is a part of MySQL. Why we are using the structured query language? Because it is a easy platform, and we just have to remember the commands, and then we can easily interact with the other applications. There are few terms that we are dealing with the relational database, relation, domains, tuples. Then let's discuss all these terms in detail. What is a relation? Relation is a collection of rows and columns. Whenever you are maintaining any information in a table, that information must be in the form of tables. So we can use the table is another name of a relation. Here we have created this table and we have given a name of this table. So that is why we can either you can use the term relation or you can use the term table. Another term is a relation of relational databases, attribute. Either you can use the word attribute or you can use the word field or column. What is attribute? It is a column in a relation. There are 5 columns in this relation or in this table. Roll number is also attribute, ADM, admission number is also attribute, name is also attribute, stream is also attribute name, and phone is a attribute name. Either you can use the word attribute or you can use the field name or you can use the term column name. You can use either of any term. Next is the degree. Degree means how many number of columns that have created in a particular table. In this table we have created 5 columns. That means what is the degree of this table is? Degree of this table is 5, because degree specifies the number of column in a table or a relation. Next term is the tuple. Tuple means a row in a table. Here we have created 6 rows. That means there are 6 tuples in this table. When we are talking about the tuple, we will not include the column heading. We will just deal with the records. Either you can use the term tuple or you can use the word record when we are dealing with a particular row or record in a table. Next term is the cardinality. Cardinality means how many rows in your table. In this table there are 6 rows. That means cardinality of this table is 6. Tuple means how many tuples. This is a tuple. First roll number, admission number, name, stream. This is a tuple, single tuple. Second is also a tuple. Third, this is a tuple. But what is the total number of tuples? That means what is the cardinality, which is 6. Another term is the domain. Domain means it is a pool of values from which the value is derived. That means it is a pool. That means multiple values we have specified in a particular column, and when we are deriving, that means when we are fetching or extracting the information from that column, we are using the term domain. That means this stream is a domain, and in this stream we are extracting a pool of values. Either we can extract the science information or we can extract commerce information or humanities. All these terms are related to the relational. Let's sum up all these terms. In this table, there are 4. Now you can specify S number, S hash, name, status and city. When we are fetching any information from all these columns, we are using the term domain. That means I am fetching the domains of values from the city domain. This is a pool of values. That means collective sum of values from each or every column. Here Jaipur, S1, Anil 2, Jaipur, this is a tuple, S2, Vishal 1, Delhi, all these are the tuples. And how many tuples in this relation? Tuples is cardinality. Cardinality means collection of multiple tuples. When we are talking about the attribute, there are 4 attributes. And what are the name of those attributes? S hash, S name, status, city. All these are the name of the attributes, and total number of attributes, that means degree, specifies how many attributes in this table. This is a relation or a table.